Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about rules of direct and indirect speeches. Two ways of saying what someone else said in the past. They are direct speech and indirect speech. There are some rules. Rule 1. In the direct speech, if the reporting verb is in the present or future or reported speech in a universal truth or habits, the tense of reported speech does not change. Rule 2. We write a comma before the reported speech, that is exact words, and it is inside the inverted commas. Rule 3. The first letter is a capital letter and a full stop before the closing inverted commas. Direct changes indirect. That means direct speeches converted into indirect speech. There are some changes. The direct changes indirect. Rule 1. Change the pronouns. Rule 2. Remove comma, inverted commas and conjunction that is used. Sometimes it is changed also. They are if or whether and others. Rule 3. Change the tense and some words. Here, direct changes indirect. Simple tense changes simple past. The direct speech, simple present tense is change simple past tense. The same way, present continuous changes past continuous. Present perfect changes past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes past perfect continuous. That means all are present changes past. The same way, the past tense, that is, direct speech is in the past, changes indirect, simple past changes past perfect, past continuous tense changes past perfect continuous tense, past perfect and past perfect continuous tenses, no change. The future tense, shall changes should, will changes would, can changes could, may changes might. These all are changes procedure of the tenses. Some words also changes. They are now changes then, here changes there, this changes that, these changes those, ago changes before, today changes that day, tomorrow changes the next day, yesterday changes the previous day, last night changes the previous night. The reporting verb said to changes told, say to changes tell. Sometimes it is changes other words also. For example, asked, request, order, like that. These all are rules of direct speech changes to indirect speech. We should learn detail about these changes in the next classes. Thank you.